How to clear cache in Grindr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove all the temporary files. First of all, navigate to the place where the app is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. So basically we're in this app info. In other mobile devices, you can directly go to settings and open app info. Here on the right bottom, there is clear data. Simply tap on clear data. So here there are two different options, clear all data or clear cache. Simply tap on clear cache and here tap on OK. So it will take some time. Now all the temporary files and cache files are removed from the app. So you can restart the app and there won't be any lags. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.